Hello and welcome to the Learn HTML5 Eduonics course. In this video I'll give you a brief introduction. We'll talk about who this course is for and what it entails. As far as who this course is for, basically anyone can take this and learn something from it. Anyone interested in learning HTML, whether you know nothing at all about HTML or if you're a professional looking to sharpen your skills, this course is for you. We'll go from creating an extremely simple web page with some text and an image all the way to building a fully functional application task manager using HTML5 local storage along with JavaScript and jQuery. Alright, so we're basically going from absolutely nothing all the way up to a fully functional app. So this is an educational course in HTML5. It includes basic beginner HTML such as lists, tables, paragraphs, headings, things like that, as well as more advanced HTML5 and JavaScript code, so things like geolocation, audio and video features, canvas, and drawing tools. This course has 6 chapters or units. Each chapter has 1 to 7 sections, and each section has a video, and will also include the program files for that video and also the document if it's a slideshow video. So we'll talk about core HTML concepts, creating clean and valid HTML5 markup, text formatting, lists and tables, forms and input, div tags, and CSS. Alright, so all the basic building blocks of a website. And again, we'll also talk about advanced HTML5 concepts like the new elements and input types, canvas and SVG features, audio and video, geolocation, web storage and local storage, application cache, and we'll even talk a little bit about HTML5 mobile development. The course will consist of a few projects. We'll have a number of very small section projects that only apply to that specific section, and then we'll also have a project called the Blue Developer Directory, which will basically be a static site which lists web development companies, but we're going to implement parts of HTML5 into the site. Alright, so for instance, we'll have a video. We will use local storage so that it can give you a personal greeting, things like that. And then in the last chapter, or the last unit, we'll be building a daily planner application, which is basically an in-browser task management system which uses local storage. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the course, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.